Hey guys, it's Kevbot here, and today I'll be playing some more Dead Trigger. And yes, I'm going to be doing some more of these. Since I've been making too many Fortnite videos in a row, I just want to calm it down. So I want to do some more other videos, because I don't want it to be boring. But yeah, thank you. I'm going to be making more of these Dead Triggers, and this is my second episode of it, so I'm going to keep trying to make some more of these, since you guys enjoy these. But yeah, I don't know about you guys, but I'm liking the Fortnite daily challenges, because I like helping, and I get a lot of support on those videos, so I'm going to keep making more. I'm not gonna stop. Nothing is gonna stop me. Nothing's gonna stop me. Okay. But yes, I'm going to make more of those. And what do you think? Should I make more videos like that? Just to help you guys get those items and stuff like that. So you can become a player with a lot of stuff, a collection. But yes, guys, I'm going to probably make more. But I can't wait to make the review video, because I'm going to be honest. I'm not going to be like, oh, I don't want to say this just in case everyone hates me. No, I don't think it like that. Everyone should respect each other's opinions, really, and actually see really deeply before actually saying something. Oh my gosh, I nearly had a hiccup. But yeah, sorry about that. But yeah, that's all I have to say. But yeah, I'm gonna continue playing this game and just enjoy it. And you guys should be enjoying it as well. But anyway, and I want you guys to have a great day today. So I'm gonna make these types of videos every day, just commentate, because if I don't commentate, it's just gonna make it boring. But anyway, talking about commentating and videos, on the way I'm making horror games. Yes, I'm going to be doing some nice horror games, so yeah. So make sure yeah, you turn on the notifications so you could see more videos when they upload, because these videos, like for this year, has been really good, and next year I'm going to push myself. I want to actually like try something different. Don't mean as in, oh, I'm gonna quit YouTube. I'm gonna move on to different. Nah, don't mean it like that. I mean, I'm going to like push myself in editing and all that stuff, because I feel like I'm improving over time. So I want to keep that improvement all the time. I don't want to like stay as I am. I want to keep going. I want to go really far. But yeah, so I'm gonna carry on with the game, right? So the doors are open, okay. So area expanded. Oh no, it's blocked. They're actually quick. Get out of there, you bum bandit. There's some zombies. I don't get how the limping zombies are faster than the zombies that have like both legs. I don't know how, but it's really weird. But what the hell is this? Look at that. They're wearing flipping reindeer heads. That's really weird. They're getting killed by this laser. Come in here, zombies. This is your favourite treat. It's from Uncle Franco. No, not Santa! How did his head get off his body? That's weird. Well, R.I.P. Santa Claus, the zombie version. But yeah, what is going on here? As I said early on in the video, please leave a like. Yeah, leave a like, a rating, and say what's good about it. Like, I like replying back to you guys. But if it's like rude comment, I'm not gonna reply, because I am just much more better than that. So yeah. But yeah, we're gonna get these zombies down. Boom bam. What the? These zombies explode. What? What is that? Did you see that? I'll just get a replay on that so you guys could see it if you didn't even look at it. If you look at the corner, yeah, look at that attractive corner. But yeah, yeah, I'm gonna get a replay on that. These zombies explode. What? What is that? These zombies died just because of that glitch. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that deserves a like. Really? You have to be honest, that was hilarious. I'm joking. You don't have to, it's up to you. But yeah, that was hilarious. That zombie, it was spazzing out. It was like, okay, I don't know what the heck was that. That was still hilarious. Like, no matter what, that'll never get old. I'll probably put that in my compilation. You never know. Oh my, can't wait to put that for today's video. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. But yes, this year has been a good year. I hit 1k at the start of the year. I managed to reach 7k, but then lost it. That actually sucks, because we're getting close to 10k. But yeah, but anyway, I want to give a shout out to a person who's been recently supporting me, like a lot, especially in the community section. But yeah, shout out to this guy. He's called Blockman Donates. So yeah, please subscribe to him. As you see, I subscribe. That's how you subscribe, by the way, if you're new to YouTube. Well, yeah, that's how you subscribe. You just press the red button, and yeah, and then you automatically subscribe to them. But yeah, that's how to support your favourite channels. But yeah, go ahead on his channel and just support him and show the love, and as you do to me. So thank you so much, guys. Like, support is getting better and better. Thank you. Like, I appreciate it. Like, no matter what, like, even if I get 1 view, I still appreciate it because it counts as someone who watched. I know that sounds like a joke because 1 view doesn't mean as much. Well, to me it does, because it means people actually want to watch your like videos and what you love doing and your personality. But yeah, thank you for support. But yeah, it sounds so deep, but because it is, like, it's a thing you need to be thankful of, because it's a thing, like, they build your channel, people build your channel up because they decide to subscribe to you. But yeah, I'm going to carry on with the game before I chat about different things that doesn't make any sense. But yeah, I completed this mission. Boom! I'm going to move on to the next mission, so you don't have to watch me collecting things. Alright guys, I'm back, and I'm in the next mission. So my objective is to find the rockstone box thing, I don't know. Oh yeah, the toolbox. I forgot that the objective thing was at the top as well. So yeah, I don't really look at the objective, I just do the mission randomly without even knowing what I have to do. I know that's a bad way of playing games, but sometimes I do that. I just forget, so yeah, apologies for that. But yeah, I'm gonna headshot these zombies and teach them how it's done. Okay guys, I'm like 2 meters away from the box. And yes, and I'm gonna put it back where it belongs. So yeah. But these zombies just love killing me. Look at that. Guys, I got myself a flipping chainsaw. Look at that. I'm going to kill some zombies with this. Okay. Jeez, the zombies are slow. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Okay, that instantly kills them. Obviously, because they're just tore apart a flipping body. Obviously, it's strong. Jeez. Okay, so as you can see at the top right, that's like an ammo thing, which doesn't make any sense. It would last quite a long time, so I don't get why it has this thing at the top right. Okay guys, I'm doing really well so far, so I'm gonna kill these zombies even more. Ah! What the? How did that happen? I'm sure zombies can't hit you once and then you die. Oh my gosh. Well, mission failed. Begin next time. But anyway guys, that's all for this time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. And turn on channel notifications, the subscribe button. But anyway guys, I'll see you guys in another video. Boom!
Please like and subscribe. And comment down below to say what you think about the video.